how to buy GUNZ token on Binance. So this token came under the symbol of GUN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Now after that, make sure to log into your account on Binance. After that, click on the search icon. In the search bar, type the token name GUN. After that, you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Well, if it's going to load this page, now after that, what you need to do, you scroll down and you will be able to find this buy option here. Now select the limit from here, and now I will just close this window. Now after you select the limit, you can type the amount that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy GUN. If you select the market option, just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. And after that, click on buy GUN. So this is how to buy GUN token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.